Hi, I'm Chef Shannen Toon with Dining with the Toons and Craft Burger, and today we're going to be making some fall favorites, some holiday favorites. It's that time of the year where we're going to start celebrating your Thanksgiving, your Christmases, and just family gatherings in general. So today we're going to be making some sweet onion potato au gratin. It's definitely a crowd pleaser, and it's a very simple dish to make. I started with some cold water, and I'm just gonna put the potatoes in there and let them cook. You're gonna let it come up to a boil and then let it boil for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna start with about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. What we're doing right now is we're making a roux, and we're gonna add to this about 2 cups of milk. You wanna add it slowly. You can add about a cup there, and then we're going to whisk it. This is gonna help incorporate the roux to the sauce, allow the milk some time to heat up. You want it to taste like the cheese sauce that it's gonna be. So what you're gonna do is allow it to come to a rolling simmer, and then like just under a boil, and then let it simmer for 20 minutes. 20-minute mark is very important because that's when the flour taste comes out. Half a tablespoon of cracked pepper, about a tablespoon of salt as well, and we're just gonna let that cook. So we're gonna start building the dish, and then you wanna layer the dish with the potatoes. So you're gonna take some of the potatoes, layer around. So I'm gonna layer some onions on top. Now that we have layered the caramelized onions on top, we're just gonna sprinkle a little of cheese. I have a cheddar jack mixture here. So now we're gonna add the final layer of potatoes on top. Now that we have the final layer of potatoes on top, we're gonna take some of the bechamel that we've cooked and just pour that on top. We're gonna add a little Parmesan and a final layer of cheese. So now that we have everything layered, we're gonna put it in the oven. I have it preset at 350, and we're gonna let it go for about 25 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly and brown. So this is the finished product. 25 minutes out of the oven, nice and bubbly and brown. And this is gonna be great for any of your upcoming gatherings with your family. It's sure to be a crowd pleaser with kids and adults.